In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Powered by Shopify text from your online store. This can give your site a more professional look and make it uniquely yours. Let's walk through each step to achieve this. First, you'll need to start by going to your Shopify dashboard. This is the command center for all things related to your online store, giving you access to everything from your products to your store's appearance. Once you're there, you'll need to navigate to the online store section. This can usually be found on the left-hand side of your dashboard, and clicking it will take you to where you can manage and customize your site's themes. Next, look for the 3 dots next to the Customize button. These dots are a gateway to additional options for managing your theme beyond the basic customization features. By clicking on these dots, you'll reveal a drop-down menu with several choices available. One of these options will be to edit default theme content. Select this, as it will let you modify the underlying text and scripts present in your site's theme. This is a key step to removing unwanted elements like the Powered by Shopify text. Now, once the theme content editor is open, locate the search bar in the top right corner of the screen. This is an effective tool for quickly finding specific text or code snippets within your theme. Type in Powered into the search bar. This will bring up all instances where the word is used in your theme, including our focus point, the Powered by Shopify text. Scroll through the results if multiple entries appear, and when you find it, under the section labeled Links, click inside the text box. All you need to do is hit the space button on your keyboard. This effectively deletes the wording without having to remove the entire string. It can act as a placeholder, ensuring the text is gone while maintaining the structural integrity of the theme's code. Once you've made the change, remember to click Save. This is crucial, as your alterations won't take effect unless you save them. Now return to your online store by clicking on it again. You'll find yourself back in the Themes section where you started. Now, click on the 3 dots next to Customize once more, but this time instead of Edit, select View. This will let you preview your site as it appears to the public. Once the site loads, scroll down to the bottom. You should notice that the Powered by Shopify text is no longer visible. This simple removal can help polish your store's look, and it allows for a more personalized and professional feel. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Powered by Shopify text from your store. Thank you for following along, and remember, small changes like these can make a significant impact on the perception of your online business.